Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar, Gatie. We know him by now here if you follow me on Gordon Guitar. Many great songs here covered. And this time we have the new song called Unblock Me. So Unblock Me is about 5 different chords and it goes in the same way through the entire song. So yeah, let's dive into this one. Let's look at the chords first. And we're going clean, no need for any capo here. So starting off with the A minor. That is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Then we have the A minor 7. So what you do here, from the A minor, you just lift off the 2nd fret G string to get that one open. Everything else is the same. So that is the A minor 7. Open G string instead of 2nd. We're moving on to the C. And here actually I can show you how to hold the C. We don't have to go and look at the original C, how it looks like, because we're not going to use that. We're going to use this grip. It's a kind of a C add chord here. And that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 3rd B, and open E. Like that, all right? Then we have the F. And actually, yeah, we can hold a chord as it is. I can show you how it's done. And then we will play it at least a little bit easier when it comes to the playing for just this specific song. But anyway, F is a bar chord. You place a bar on the 1st fret over all strings. And then the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. And then we have the final chord, the G. And here again, I can show you how it's played. The full chord here will not necessarily hold it, but I'm going to show you later how it's done. The full G here will be 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. All right. So let's look at the song now. We have the A minor first. You're gonna pick the notes A, D, G, and B from the actual chord, the A minor chord. Pick all these notes together. That will be open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, and 1st B. Then you give it a clap. And then you change to the A minor 7. You just lift off to get the open G there. And pick all the 4 strings, the same 4 strings together. So that will be open A, 2nd D, open G, and 1st B. And a kick. Then you switch to the C, and from this grip here, what I do, from the A minor 7, I just keep my 2nd fret D string there with my middle finger, keep that one there, and just add with my ring finger here on the 3rd fret A string and my little pinky there on the 3rd fret B string to get the C add chord there. So from the A minor, I'm lazy, I just keep the middle finger there and like this. So I don't have to recuperate like this, not necessary. So like this only, all right? You're now on the C add chord. You're gonna pick the 3rd fret A string together with 2nd D, open G, and 3rd B. Then a clap. Then you pick from this grip again, but different strings. You're gonna pick the 3rd fret A string, and now together with open G, 3rd B, and open E. You really want to hit this open E to emphasize that one, because that is pretty much the difference from the first pick there from the C chord. So, and a clap after that one. All right, we're moving on to the F-based picking here. Now I teach you to hold a full chord. You can if you wish. The notes you need to pick here is the 1st fret E string together with 3rd D and 2nd G. So you could hold just like this if you wish. You don't need any bar then. And so I'm used to hold the chords as they are. So usually I go with the full F chord here. And that's what I do. But what you really need for this one is 1st E, 3rd D, and 2nd G. Pick those 3 strings together. clap, and pick those same strings again, and another clap. So, okay, and that's the F part, and now we're finally at the last chord, the G. Here, you don't have to hold a full chord. Again, it's just enough if you hold the 3rd fret on the E string to begin with. So you pick that one, 3rd on E in the bass, together with open D, open G, and open B. Then a clap. And then you add the 3rd fret on the B string and pick the same strings. That will be 3rd E in the bass, open D, open G, and 3rd B. And clap. And there you have the full song here. So, just a quick repetition here. A minor, clap, A minor 7, clap, C, C, clap, F, F, G, G. Okay? So it goes from A minor to A minor 7, that's one part. Then you go from C to C, and it differs a little bit on the last notes there, and the same. Then you go from F, you play in the same way there, both times, and then from G it differs a little bit in the last notes there as well, from open B to 3rd B. I'm gonna give you a couple rounds of this so you understand how it's done, and for you to hear the rhythm as well, okay? So, a couple rounds. And that, my friends, covers Gate's Unblock Me. So, nice song here. Give it a try if you want to practice some pretty easy picking patterns here. Not too much of a switch like this, just for you to practice to pick something from a chord. That's the easiest start when it comes to these kind of picking technique styles. So anyway, if you love this, please show me some appreciation here to subscribe. That's the best scenario, but also to comment here, thumb up this tutorial, and until next time, guys, play tuned.